Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about this month's Glossybox. We are in the month of, wow, actually I didn't think about that. We're in the month of May. It just feels like it's flown by so quick. I did get this in the mail yesterday and I'm excited to sit down and open them and see what we got. Just a quick reminder, guys, that we do have the giveaway starting at the end of this month. So if you do want to be entered into that, just make sure that you are subscribed, share this video, comment, give us a thumbs up. There will be a little insert of what's actually included in the giveaway. I'm waiting for like one, maybe two items that I still want to add to it. So that's why we're still kind of waiting till the end of May. But that post will be somewhere up here. So just go ahead and take a look at that if you want to enter in. Like I said, just be subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this box and see what we got for this month's Glossybox. I don't know, guys. Let's decide maybe at the end of the videos, or let me know in the comment for this one if you think I should keep this one, cancel. If there's one that you guys wanted me to see or want me to try, let me know in the comments down below. I definitely want to hear your thoughts after we figure out what's inside. Okay guys, so after we pull open the box, this is how it looks inside. I love their packaging, how they do their things. But again, you know, we also want to make sure that we're getting good items inside. But let's actually open her up and see what's in there. Something smells incredible. It smells like a mint flavor, but it's got like a little bit of like tree oil. It just smells like really healthy and really nourishing. So now I'm excited. Okay, like always, guys, we do get a pamphlet what's inside, and this is what it looks like when we pull the cover off. Oh my god, that smell is so overwhelming. It just smells so nourishing, fresh, and warm, and just delicious. Okay, so this one, it says, "Hi there, Glossies. With our summer around the corner, now is the perfect time for a break from heavy winter makeup. Embrace your natural beauty and polish out these winter blues. From coconut, caffeine, and watermelon to vitamins, hyaluronic acid, this month's box features an exciting mix of products. They are packed with nourishing, healing, and revitalizing ingredients to kick your skin back into dewy perfection for confidence and enjoy your bare face beauty." Okay, so the first thing we're gonna pull out is this. So go ahead and bring this up close so you can see what it is. It says it's a daily concept, daily body scrub. Individuals who think in the shower. Smart technology, label fades from product replacement. Ideal for body, never tested on animals. We know it goes without saying, but your scrubber will be your new BFF in the shower or bath. Wet, scrub, rinse and repeat. Partner well with your usual soap or gel for a complete exfoliating experience. Replace your scrubber when the writing on the label fades. So it's a full-size item and it does retail for $10. It says perfect for buffing away dead skin when it's with its texture. The scrubber has a soy-based foam material inside to create a rich lather. Allergy and dermatology tested daily concept even incorporates its label to fade so that you know when it's time to replace your scrubber. And it says, tip, always make sure your scrubber or your exfoliating product is adequately lathered. Not only does it feel amazing, but this prevents your skin from being overextended or damaged during use, so do not scrub too hard. They do give you a 20% off code for your purchase. So that's the first thing that we got. It is a full-size item. Okay. Next item we're going to pull out are these beautiful... So I can't tell these are individual sheet masks, like you pull them off and they go on your eyes or on your face where you need some added extra help. Let's read. See if maybe it tells us there. Cucumber slice, sheet, watermelon, cucumber, and watermelon. They are full size. You get 2 sheets and they do retail for $10 each. Now, have full control of how you apply your mask with this Glossybox sheet mask. Unlike traditional masks, you can peel the mask off piece by piece like a sticker. With calming properties, you can apply your mask on your face, neck, on your eyes, and anywhere in between. Okay, so this is the Glossybox Sliced Sheet Mask, Cucumber and Watermelon. They do retail for $10 each, and these are full-size products. So again, here they are. They're actually kind of cute. Look at the back. Okay. And then say, have full control to apply your mask with Cocoa Star Sheet Mask. Unlike traditional masks, you can peel this mask off piece by piece like a sticker. With calming properties, you can apply your mask on your face, neck, under your eyes, and anywhere between. It does give you a pro tip. Did you know that these sheet masks are coated with ingredients on both sides? Okay. Flip your mask over halfway through the treatment to double up on hydration and cooling sensation. They also do give you a 20% off coupon code as well. So these are cool to have and very cute and very unique and different, I would say. Okay, what is next? Okay, so this is the Perlis Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. Smooths, exfoliates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. It does give you a net weight of 0.7 ounces or 20 grams. So a full size of these would actually be 6 ounces. Here you're getting 0.7 ounces or 20 grams, so not exactly a full ounce, more of like a deluxe sample. Coffee and coconut oil. Who doesn't love that combo? As the coconut oil softens and moisturizes your skin, coffee kicks in high gear to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Enjoy this fresh pick-me-up at the end of the day or the start of a day. Coffee as a scrub ingredient can also be used to post-sun care. For those with sensitive skin prone to sunburn, gently apply coffee grounds on your skin with a cold, damp cloth until redness begins to fade. I didn't know that. I don't burn when I can literally sit outside all day, and I don't burn, I don't tan, I just stay very ghostly pale. Okay, what do we got next? I'm so excited. Alright, so alright, we're gonna try this. We're gonna really attempt it. Oriana. Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips, and nails. Vitamin E and rice bran oil. It has been perfectly formulated to repair and protect sensitive skin. Developed as an all-purpose skin and lip balm with UVA and UV filters for sun protection, it's moisturizing, protective, anti-inflammatory, and smoothing for all skin types. Formulated with key functional okay, moving on. Okay, so it says it's cruelty-free. This all-purpose skin and lip balm will protect your skin from harmful UVs and UVA's rays, which its moisturizing smooths for all over dewy effect is perfect for even the most sensitive of skin. Okay, if your lips are really dry, try dabbing your facial moisturizer on your bare lips, then place the balm on top. The double moisturization will absorb into your skin to create the perfect fusion of hydration. And then 20% off coupon code you get with this as well. 25 milliliters or 0.85 fluid ounces. A full size, they don't actually tell you how much you should receive in there, but it is valued at $16 for a full size. Okay, so it looks like we have 2 more items. Okay, so this right here is the Glow Gorgeous Back into the Roots. A full size has 8 fluid ounces and it does retail for $28. You get 2.2 fluid ounces. Give your hair a boost with this luxurious scalp mask with a healthy combination of burdock root, hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and caffeine. This mask will give your hair the extra moisturizing and volume it craves. It says a tip, section your hair for application. This way the scalp mask can be applied evenly, generating new growth and healthy hair. You receive 20% off as a coupon code. Oh my god, that's what the smell is. It's this. Oh my god, I love you. Oh, it smells so good. It just smells so like fresh and clean and just like, oh, it smells like a spa. It literally smells like a very nice spa in here. The very last item we got is the Perlis Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. And the full size of this has 1.7 fluid ounces and it does retail for $45. They actually gave you net weight 3.434 ounces and 10 milliliters. A lightweight oil-free gel cream filled with vitamin A, B, and C. This Aqua Balm keeps skin energized and hydrated for oily combination dry, normal, sensitive, and dull skin types that want the energizing balm of watermelon and other nourishing ingredients, including aloe vera, cucumber, and white tea. It says, pro tip, use this Aqua Balm. Keep your brows in place by dabbing a bit of the cream onto them and brush them into shape. Best part, no mess, and the skin under your brows is hydrated. A place usually forgotten in skincare. And they also did give you a 20% off code as well. Okay guys, so that'll do it for the May Glossybox. Let me know what you think down below. What were your favorites? Do you think I should keep subscribing? Do you think I should try something else? Cancel. Right now I'm subscribed to BoxyCharm, Glossybox, and the Live Glam Kiss Me. So let me know if you want me to cancel this one, try a different one. I think a standout favorite for me are these cute little masks. I think I'm definitely going to have to give these a whirl. It's such a cute concept that you can kind of peel and stick wherever you want to go, and I'm kind of a fan of art and craft. Another thing that's cool to me is this item. I don't know if it actually works or does what it says, but I love the smell. We'll test her out and update you in a future video, but those are the 3 standout items to me so far. But let me know what you think down below. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to keep watching, leaving comments, and thank you so much for being subscribed. We'll see you in the next one.